Ipsy has released spoilers for their newest edit. It's a GlowRecipe Takeover. This bundle is $79.99 and includes best-selling GlowRecipe products and a makeup bag, all worth $217. So you have to join Ipsy in order to grab the bag. A lineup of cult status skincare essentials to help every skin type reach its glowiest potential. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The edit will include Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial, 60 milliliters, full size. It's like a vacuum for your pores. This mask uses gentle clays, fruit enzymes, and exfoliating acids like BHAs and PHAs to get rid of clogging dead skin cells, buildup, and excess oil. You will also get the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Eye Cream, 15 milliliters, full size. Say see ya later to puffy eyes and dark circles with the help from this eye cream, which is powered by 10% encapsulated vitamin C, guava, niacinamide, green caffeine, and peptides. Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment, 25 milliliters, deluxe sample. Searching for the secret to glowing skin? Easy. It's a supercharged overnight resurfacing mask that gently exfoliates, hydrates, and helps visibly brighten the appearance of your skin. They have a plump hyaluronic serum. It's 30 milliliters, full size. This concentrated serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen to help deliver plump, radiant skin. Plump hyaluronic cream, 50 milliliters, full size. Skin feeling fickle and fussy? This whipped gel cream will help balance it out in no time with plum, hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamate acid for long-lasting hydration. You'll get a blueberry bounce gentle cleanser, 160 milliliters, full size. The unique bouncy texture builds into hydrating microfoaming bubbles that deeply cleanse without over-drying your skin. Once you rinse, your face will feel supple and not stripped. So you also get an Ipsy January 2024 edit bag. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.